The bezels on the display are super slim and blend in very nicely with the dial. The build quality of the watch is outstanding. Solid steel build. You can pair Bluetooth earphones to the watch and listen to the music from it without needing to carry your phone with you. You can use the phone's GPS with your watch for outdoor workout tracking. Hi there! Most budget smartwatches look very similar and are usually made of plastic or substandard material. But today we have the newly launched Boltt Quantum. It's made of solid steel, which gives the watch a very luxurious feel. You can see I'm already wearing it, and I can say it's a perfect mix of classic meets smart. It's also very pocket friendly, priced at just $2,999. That's a very lucrative deal. We have 2 units of different colors. Let me take you through a quick unboxing followed by a full review. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Boltt Quantum. If you look closely, you can see the image of the watch, some key features mentioned here, towards the back as well. This is the black color, black and red. This is the green color. And of course, the MRP is $19,999. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Let's quickly open it up. Now, inside the box is the watch itself. This is the black and red color. Then right here, you have some freebies, coupons, and finally, the user manual. Now, this is a device to adjust the strap, which I shall show you in just a moment. And finally, the pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. And I believe we have the exact same contents in the other box as well. Here's the green watch, the same paperwork and user manual, the strap adjusting tool, and the pogo pin charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. The one on the left is black and red, the one on the right is green. Basically, let's remove these screen protectors so that you can have a better look at it. There you go, black and red on the left while the green dial on the right. So premium looking smartwatches. By the way, the bands come with this plastic film on the top which you have to remove before you wear it. It basically is to prevent the watch from any kind of scratches on the steel strap. There you go, have a look at it. Pure steel, really rugged as well as the premium look. Very gorgeous looking watch. Feels like a luxury watch from the word go. By the way, the tachymeter actually rotates like a regular watch. There you go. Really nice, and it's very firm as well. Okay, we're back. Very well built. If you look on the side, chrome finish, metal chrome finish. Yes, it will attract some fingerprint and smudges, but looks really nice. You can spot the speaker here. On the other side, you can see there's a single button and a microphone here. It's going to assist you for phone calls. Build quality is fantastic. Now, first thing I did is wear the watch and realized that the straps are really loose for my thin wrist. Now, I know a lot of people really like to wear watches like these, but I'm someone who likes to wear it a little more firmer. Now, in usual watches, we have a buckle design. We can just tighten the strap, which works really well. But here's a stainless steel strap. How will you tighten it? Well, don't worry. Boltt has actually given us a tool which will help us tighten the strap. I'll show you how it works. Basically, you have to remove these pieces as per the size you need. Keep the watch inside here. Rotate this section inside this dot area so the piece can be removed. There you go. It's open now. Let's remove one more. There you go. We have removed this. Now let's fix it back. It will take a couple of seconds and you're done. Let's wear it. Wow, this is just perfect. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so it's splash and dust resistant. You can wear it in the rain, at the gym, or even for a run. But it's probably too bulky for that. But remember, it's not recommended to be worn for a swim. Let's have a quick look at the display. Now this is a 1.28-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. Now the interface overall is also really smooth. Color reproduction is pretty good. It's not as vibrant, but still colors look nice and the blacks are pretty deep. Now the thing that everyone wants to know are the bezels. Well, actually, because of the tachymeter, the bezels of the display are completely hidden, giving it a very seamless and clean look. Almost zero bezels, I'll say. In fact, let's change some watch faces. And here's a green one which goes so well with this design. And here too, you can see that the bezels are almost negligible. Check that out. There are a few more. Here's a black gray one which goes even well with this dial. Really cool. Now, if you talk about the interface, it's really simple and easy to use. Swipe right to access your steps, your daily activity, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, your SpO2 levels, and you're back to the home page. Swipe from up to access your quick toggles. you have vibration alert, do not disturb, you have your connectivity, you have some info, you have settings. Here we have brightness. Here we have set minimum brightness. We'll just increase the brightness to full and check that out. That gets really bright. Then you have auto lock, which is the screen on time. Then you have the switch, heart rate monitor, blood pressure, heart rate alerts, disconnection alerts, turn wrist to wake alerts, movement reminder. Then if you press this button, you can access the menu. There's workouts, pedometer, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. You can make phone calls, contacts, call logs, notifications, alarm, stopwatch, timer, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone, find phone, camera shutter, and settings. Overall, a really nice interface. However, I feel that sometimes touch is a little off, but sometimes it works absolutely fine. There you go. I think the display is a little small, so that's why I could feel the same, but overall, really nice and smooth. Let's check out phone calling. So first we take our phone, go to the phone dialer app on the watch. Here you can see the dialer. We're randomly dialing a number and click dial. And there you can see the phone call is being dialed. Now the audio you're hearing is actually from the watch speaker. It's really clear and quite decently loud as well. You can end the call directly from here. Similarly, we also receive incoming calls on the watch directly. There you can see the caller's name is showing up. You can reject the call or answer the call. There's no way to silence the incoming call. Now, if you answer the call, you can talk directly using your smartwatch, which is really convenient. You can end the call, you can mute the microphone directly from the watch itself. Talking about call quality, well, the speaker is loud and quite clear. It's best used indoors. However, when used outdoors, you probably will struggle to hear. The opposite person didn't have any problem hearing me, so I'm guessing the mics do a really good job. Bottom line, this watch is great for indoor use, but stick to quick short calls when outdoors. Also, another handy feature is you can pair your Bluetooth earphones or headphones to the watch and listen to the music saved on the watch itself. So if you want to go for a workout and want to listen to music, you don't need to carry your phone with you. It comes with 256 GB storage, so you can save about 60 to 70 MP3 songs. The process is fairly simple. Connect the charging cable to the watch, plug the USB side of the cable to the laptop or PC, and a drive will be detected. Simply drag and drop the MP3 files to the drive. It will take a couple of seconds and you're done. Now in the music app on the watch, you can play the music on the watch speaker or on the Bluetooth earphones. Amazing. Also would like to take a minute and talk about fit and comfort. So without a doubt, it's a bulky watch, but it still feels very comfortable. Even with thin wrists like mine, it's grippy and solid. Above all, it looks fab, just like a classic premium watch. Coming to health monitoring. So I wore the watch and tested the heart rate sensor, followed by blood pressure and even blood oxygen. I got the readings for all, but keep in mind, it's just a smartwatch. So use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to workouts. Now to access it, you press this button on the side to access the menu. You see the workouts, outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, indoor walk, hiking, stair stepper, outdoor cycle, stationary bike, elliptical training, row machining. That's it. So these are the only 10 workouts that you get on this watch, which are very much understandable. This is a premium luxury watch. It's not a watch meant for workouts, but still it has all the basic workouts that you might need. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a 350 mAh battery that should last you about 4 to 5 days. But with Bluetooth calling, you'll get a maximum of 1 to 2 days. Let's have a quick glance at the H-Band companion app. So right here on the dashboard, you can see the steps taken, your pedometer readings, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. Basically all your health related and workout data is right here on the home page. Then if you come to workouts, you can use your phone's GPS and Google Maps to map your outdoor workouts more accurately. Click on Start Sport and click Confirm, and this app will use the GPS to track your workout. Super helpful. Then finally in Mine, you can see your watch. Click on this. You can go into notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you have alarm settings, sedentary reminders, heart rate alert, turn wrist detection, pair device, contacts, screen on time, switch settings, take photo, dial settings is for watch faces. If you want more watch faces, you click here. Now here again, you'll find a huge collection of watch faces. Check out the number of analog watch faces available because it's a round smartwatch and I know it'll look amazing. Just for fun, we'll switch to one and click as set as watch face. And there you go, watch face is set. Then further you have firmware update, factory setting, reset. Overall a really nice and easy to use interface. I really like that you can use the GPS from your phone. It's a very helpful feature. Alright, final thoughts. And we'll start with the cons. I so wish this watch came with an AMOLED display. That would have just been perfect. But obviously it would be impossible to get a watch with an AMOLED display and this kind of build quality under 3000. So I won't really complain. Then only 10 workout modes here, which is really surprising because nowadays we see watch with 100 plus workout modes. Again, this is not the type of watch you're going to be wearing for workouts. Also, this does have some basic workouts and I'm sure it will suffice for more than 90% of people. Overall, it's a gorgeous design and as I said earlier, it's a classic steel design that meets smart features. It's an easy recommendation. Boltt Quantum is priced at $2,999 and it's going on sale today on Amazon. It's available in two colors, black and red and green. Maybe even more. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.